Hi there, friend. I'm so happy you're here. It's me, Pastel. And today we are drawing this very cute crab. So let's get started. So the first thing we'll do, let's open our sketchbooks to a brand new page. Choose a color you like. And the first thing we'll do is let's draw an oval right in the middle of our page. This will be our crab's body. Now, let's give him two eyes. So I'm going to draw a big loop shape on top of his head and another big loop shape right next to it. Okay, let's give our crab some pupils, the dark part of his eye. So I'm going to draw one oval, two ovals, and then inside these ovals, I'm going to draw an even smaller little oval so he can have a shiny spot in his eyes. Now let's color in the pupils, being very careful not to color in our little highlight. That little bright spot is called a highlight. And then same on the other side. Okay, now let's give our crab some claws. So right here, next to his body and up a little bit, let's add a circle. And then in the circle, let's put a zigzag line. Don't make it go all the way through. Stop just before you get to the end of the circle. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll draw a circle and a zigzag line. All right, now our crab has some claws. So let's give him some arms to attach them to his body. So from the bottom, kind of to the side of the claw, I'm going to draw two little lines for a little crab arm. And the same thing on the other side. Okay, now let's give him a really cute little smile. Oh, there he is. It's a happy little crab. Okay, now let's give him some legs. So over here on the side of our oval, I'm going to do a little curve that comes around and then back in for a little leg. Let's do another one right next to it. Out and in. And let's do a third one. Out and in. All right, looking good. Let's do the other side now. So across from this leg, I'm going to do a curved line that comes around and loops back in. Then another one, and one more. Out and in. Okay, and very last step. You know I like to do this. Is let's give our crab two little eyebrows. All right, and there he is. Look at our sweet little crab. He looks like he's ready for some ocean adventures. Do you think he's going to go collect seashells? I don't know. We'll use our imaginations to figure it out. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad we got to draw together. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.